come to the next topic, to find the number of sigma bond and a pi bond. So there is a trick to you to find easily. Sigma bond is equal to number of carbons minus 1 plus number of other atoms. Let us see this. We can apply this trick in the examples. Easily you can find out. The CH2 double bond, CH single bond C double bond O. OH will be given in the question, and you should find out number of, sigma bond and a pi bond. See how double bond comes, it is a pi bond. Pi bond never comes alone. So it has come along with the sigma bond. So here it is 4 hydrogen C, number of carbon. How many carbons are there? You see that minus 1. Here 4 hydrogen, 2, 1, 4. 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Totally it has 6. So that is called number of other atoms other than carbon. So here how many carbon you find out? 1, 2, 3 carbon. I have written 3. Minus 1 is the rule. So number of carbon atom minus 1 plus number of other atoms. Number of other atoms, I told you 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen comes to 6. So plus 6. So 3 minus 1 plus 6. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. So it has a 8 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. Here a 2 double bond comes, it is a pi bond. So 8 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. This is the easiest method to find out the number of sigma bond and number of pi bonds. Once again, I'll repeat you, sigma equal to number of carbon minus 1 plus number of other atoms other than carbon atoms. So other than carbons are 2 hydrogen and here 1 hydrogen 3 and here a 4th hydrogen and then 2 oxygen. Totally other atoms are 6. Now you find out the number of carbon. 1, 2, 3 carbon is there. So as per the trick, 3 to find the sigma bond, 3 minus 1 plus other atom is 6. So totally it is 8. So 8 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. Next example. N triple bond C, N triple bond C, single bond, double bond C, single bond C, triple bond N, and a single bond C and a triple bond N. Triple bond comes 2 pi bond and 1 sigma bond. Already we know that. So let us see the sigma is equal to number of carbon minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. 6 minus 1. Other than the carbon atoms are 4 nitrogen only is present. 1, 2, 3, 4. So only 4 nitrogen, not any other atom. So 6 minus 1, 5 plus 4, we are getting 9. That is sign sigma bond. So here I told you triple bond comes, it is a 2 pi bond. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and this one is 9. So 9 pi bond. Let us see another example. C2H2. CH, triple bond CH, acetylene. So here in acetylene, it is a sigma, how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon, 1, 2. 2 minus 1. Plus other than carbon, how many number of atoms? 2 hydrogen is there, plus 2. So 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2, 3. So 3 sigma bond. If it is a triple bond, I told you 2 sigma bond. So here 1 sigma bond, top 1 pi bond and bottom 1 pi bond. Totally 2 pi bonds. 3 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. Then ethylene example, CH2 double bond CH2. So here sigma is equal to number of carbon is 2, 1 and 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Then other than carbon as atoms are 4 hydrogen. So 1 plus 4, 5. So 5 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. So homework to you. This is a naphthalene. In this naphthalene, you find out how many carbons are there, how many CH bonds are there. CC bond is 11 sigma bond, CH is 8 sigma bond, totally 9 sigma bond with the 5 pi bond. You just work out, apply the tricks, and then you see the solution. So this is the solution for you. I have given a Lewis structure here. Single bonds all carries a sigma bond. Double bond is 1 pi bond, 1 sigma bond. Let us start from here. 1 sigma bond, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 sigma bond and pi bond. Double bonds are called a pi bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pi bond and 19 sigma bond. 5 pi bond and 19 sigma bond is the answer after you apply the trick and then you see the solution. Next example, CH3, CH, single bond CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH, double bond CH2 is a question for you. So just to count the number of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 1 plus other than carbon atoms. So 3, 6 plus 3, 9 and this one 10, 11, 13, 14, 16 and this one oxygen is there 17. This oxygen 17 plus 17. So 9 minus 1, 8 plus 17 equal to 25 sigma bond and here it is a, this is 1 pi bond and this is 1 pi bond, 2 pi bonds. Thanks for watching students.